Ying 2mm hydro glass beads we produce has 39 colors. Our hydro beads are similar to natural onyx and quartz stone, but more shiny and delicate. Also, the price is very competitive. For the production of fine jewelry, hydro beads are more delicate and suitable than rondelle beads or seed beads. Welcome to Jiangxi Brother Union Crystal and Stone Company. We are a manufacturer of hydro beads, faceted stone beads and other gemstone beads. Not only do we have our own research and development team, but also good quality inspection, attractive price system. Besides that, we have our own trading department. We strive to let our customers get good profits through cooperation with us. If you want to know more about our products, please contact us on Alibaba.com.